Hi friends, welcome to a new video. In this video I am going to show a special unique smoky concept photo editing tutorial. You can use this photo editing for the Holi also, okay? It is very simple and easy tutorial. This is the background you have to use, okay? You can download this background. I will give link in the description. After opening Picsart, you have to open this background, okay? Now what you have to do is you have to go to add photo and select the model image. Friends, this is the model image I am going to use now. Make sure your model is standing position, okay? It will be nice for this type of concept photo editing. Now simply go to cutout tool, okay? Now what you have to do is you have to draw the outline of the model image, okay? Draw the outline and you have to cut the background completely. It is how it look like after the cutting the background, okay? You arrange the background completely. Now what you have to do is you have to arrange your model image perfectly, okay? Zoom in your model image like this, okay? Zoom in your model image and you have to keep your model image perfectly in a position, okay? In this position like this. Okay, keep your model image in this position. Like this you have to arrange, okay? Now by using this eraser, keep the size like this, okay? Keep hardness like this. Now start drawing, okay? Start drawing like this. Simply follow my video, simply follow what I am doing, okay? Like this, slightly. Now this side also you have to draw. Like this, friends, you have to draw. Very simple and easy tutorial, friends. You can also edit your photo like this. You have to make like the model is in the smoke. By using these brush tools you have to draw everything. Like this, okay? Perfect. Erase a little bit. Now decrease the hardness. Now draw like this, slightly. Okay. Okay, friends, done. Now tap on tick. Now go to crop. Go to tick and go to tools. Go to crop. Now crop this image like this, okay? Both sides you have to crop it. Now tap on tick. Perfect. Now what you have to do is you have to go to tools, go to adjust, increase a little saturation, increase a little clarity, decrease a little shadow, give a little highlights, okay? Give a little highlights. Now what you have to do is go to temperature, decrease the temperature completely like this, around 70. Tap on this eraser, tap on this invert. Now keep the brush like this, hardness. Now draw on the shirt like this. You have to draw on the background also, okay? Like this, okay? Perfect. Perfect, friends. Now tap on tick. Now what you have to do is you have to save this model image, okay? Go to draw, tap on this three dots, save this image. Now you have to jump this photo to the Lightroom application, okay? Simply take this image to the Lightroom application. See you there. Friends, now we're in Lightroom application. This is the image we edited in Picsart application. Now what you have to do is you have to go back and you have to download one preset. I will give this preset link in the description. Tap on this preset, tap on these three dots, copy these settings and tap on tick and get back. Now open this photo, your edited photo, tap on these three dots and simply paste the settings. That's it friends, simply one tap, everything is done. Now what you have to do is you have to go to here and decrease a little blacks, give a little whites, give a little shadow, exposure a little bit. Now go to here, decrease the saturation a little bit. Okay, done. Now go to mix, tap on the second color, increase a little luminance. Okay, little luminance, and tap on this blue color, give a little saturation, and go to pink, give a little saturation. That's it friends. Now tap on that. Now go to vignette tool and give a little vignette. Perfect. Now get back. Friends, this is the end of the video friends. Okay, that's it. This is how you can edit your image with realistic. I am going to show the before image. This is the before image. You can see the color is very dull, the background is very dull, the model is very dull. Now after adding this preset, you can see how amazing and beautiful it is. The background is little darker with the vignette tool, the model is little white and the color is popping out. You can see very attractive. Okay, you can see before, after, before, after. Friends, this is the end of the video friends. If you enjoy this video, please like the video. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and tap on bell icon. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get notification. Okay, now tap on the share button and save to the device and have fun. Very simple and easy tutorial. I hope you really enjoy this tutorial. Okay, please consider like, subscribe and share to your friends. See you in next video with new concept photo editing.